high-efficiency paper straw manufacturing machine, opening a new era of environmentally friendly straws. Today, when environmental protection has become a global trend, paper straws are gradually replacing traditional plastic straws. Today, we will introduce you to a paper straw manufacturing machine with excellent performance. This paper straw manufacturing machine has an amazing production speed of up to 45 meters per minute, which can quickly meet your large-scale production needs. It can produce paper straws with an inner diameter of 4.5 to 12 millimeters and a straw thickness of 0.3 to 2 millimeters. The machine is equipped with 5 precision cutters to ensure that every cut is neat and uniform, producing paper straws of uniform length and excellent quality for you. It is worth mentioning that this machine uses an advanced servo motor system with high production precision, fast speed, and strong stability to protect your production. Choosing our paper straw manufacturing machine means choosing efficiency, quality, and environmental protection. Let us work together to contribute to the cause of environmental protection and open a new chapter in paper straw production.